Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down actually to find users and accounts. Of course, under it you've got whole Google section and you can manage Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts, so let me tap on it. Now let's tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And be aware that you do not really have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Right here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And as you can see here, we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it and I highly recommend to read it. Just tap on it and here you've got all the info. Now let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see our Google account has been immediately applied to this list. Of course you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on remove account and confirm it. And as you can see, it immediately disappears, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.